Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce CIMatics video session 4. So in today's video, I am actually going to show you how we can connect an external Salesforce developer org to our internal Salesforce developer org, that is, the org which contains analytics, okay? And how we can actually pull the data from there as well as verify and check it if it is coming correctly or not, okay? So in our first session, I think we created a free developer org as well as a free Einstein org. So this is my Einstein org. I have actually bifurcated my developer org with a blank tab, as you can see here. So wherever you see this URL EA.com, it means it is my Einstein EA means Einstein, okay? And if you see ABC116, that is my developer org, okay? Salesforce developer org, which does not contain Einstein. So currently, what I'm going to do is, the first thing is, in your external Salesforce developer org, you just go to your profile, fine, and over there search for your IP range. Okay, so you click over here, login IP range, and you click on new. So for this IP range, you just give 0.0.0.0, and for the end IP range, you give 255.255.255.255. Okay, so 0, there will be 4 zeros, and 255, 4 255, with a point in between, fine, and just click on save. Right now, once you do that, just go to your Einstein Analytics org, and over there click on Analytics Studio. This is the first thing, and then we will go to Data Manager, and from here just go to Manage Data Flow, just forward to Connect, and from here just click on Connect to Data. Right, so once you click on Connect to Data, you will just click on this Add Connection. Wait a minute. Okay, so firstly we have to actually establish the external connection, right? So for that, what we have to do first, we have to go to settings. So here I have settings, analytics settings. And here just search for external. Yeah. So basically this is the one. Wait. Okay. So in the input connection, just go to add connection, and over here you are going to see Salesforce external connector, right? So just click over here and give the connection name. So let me just give it as and let me very quickly give the username and password. So this username and password will be your username of your external Salesforce developer org. And after this, just click on save and test. Okay. The developer name doesn't meet the requirement. Okay. Developer name, you have to give underscore, right? And then click on save and test. Invalid username, password. Okay. Just let me, okay. Sorry. I gave a wrong username. It will be dev. Okay. Username will be 𝑦𝑇Avinash@dev.com. And now let us click on save and test. So as you can see, the connection test got successfully established. So basically, when you provide the login IP ranges, you don't have to give the security token, right? So if you don't give the login IP ranges, then you have to provide your security token. Okay. Just remember that since we already gave the login IP range in our Salesforce developer, we didn't have the need to give the security token along with our password. Okay. So now if I click on continue, so this is my external log. which I have written as Salesforce external. Now I will just click on, I will just go to connect to data once again and click over here. Once I click over here, let's say I want to bring the account data from here. Okay. So firstly, in my external log, again, I will just open my Salesforce inspector. And in my Salesforce inspector, let me just very quickly check the total count I have for account. So I can see there are 13 accounts, right? So now I will just go over here and I will just search with account. Yeah, this is the account. So just click over here. Yeah. So we will just bring in a few necessary fields as of now. Let's say I bring the ID, name, and stage. Sorry, not stage, industry. And let me just very quickly click on continue and let me get loaded. So this is the particular table where I have actually brought in the data. So the data which I'm bringing from my Salesforce external, it will be stored in this particular table where we are syncing it, right, in the connect tab. So now just let me click on save. And once that is done, you can see here we have this account. So firstly, I'm just going to run the sync very quickly. Hopefully it should take a few seconds, but let's see. Okay, it ran successfully. Now I will just go to data flow again. And here I will just click on create data flow and let me just name it as. Let me click on create. Now, since I'm bringing data from an external developer org, so we will be using digest node. In the earlier session, we had used SFDC digest, which brings data from my internal account. And here I will just write external account. I will give the connection name. I will give the object. I will select the fields. I will click on create and very quickly I will give the register name. So for alias, always give underscore because alias is nothing but your API name. The source node will be external account. And let me click on create. Let me update the data flow and let me run the data flow. So this ran successfully. And now very quickly, let me go over here. Let me go to browse section and let me go to dataset and let me search with external. We refresh it once again. Let me check the name, which is nothing but external account dataset. And let me search over here. Items, it's not. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so here I actually see my external account dataset. And as you can see, the number of records which showing up is 13, right? So in our Salesforce inspector for our developer org, external developer org, we check it's 13, and that's what it's matching over here as well, right? So as we can see, it's being matched over here. And yeah, that's it about this video. So definitely do try for other objects. You right now know how to do it. And you can try via both the options of applying security predicates as well as, giving the IP ranges and just giving the password. So try for other Salesforce Sales Cloud objects like contact, leads, opportunities, and products, and do verify the data. Okay. So that's it about this video. Signing off over here. And if you have liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe.